How to join affiliation on your NBA 2K25 game. So for this, I'm going to show you some of the genuine steps which you can follow and get which affiliation you should join on the NBA here. Now, when you first enter the city NBA 2K25, you will find the Chris Manning and Shakedown waiting outside the affiliation bases. Speak to them, initiate the RISE versus Elite quest, then, joining an affiliation gives player access to different rewards, exclusive areas, shops, and many more. But the reason you should level up your affiliation rank. Each rank comes with some nice rewards that will definitely improve your My Player, for example, reaching the veteran I rank for either Rise or Elite rewards. Nevertheless, we'll go over each affiliation and their differences rank reward. Rise affiliation inclusive benefits are Rise daily spin rewards, affiliation exclusive shops, quest and codes. The level 1 is Rookie 1. You can read the reward here. You can also visit this website to get full details about it. Rookie 3, 4, Starter 1, 2, 3, 4. There is everything is defined in this website. Now we will go on Elite exclusive benefit that you will get once you have done this affiliation progress. Elite daily spin rewards, affiliation exclusive shop, quest and codes. The same thing you will read here on the website. Now how you can join it, simply go on the NBA official game website and then click on the join affiliation program from there. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.